Today we'll test the video quality of this new phone. The good thing is that it's quite sunny today, so we'll be able to see the best out of this phone. The day is really nice, fresh and chilly. Not many people on the street as expected. So stay with me, and we're gonna go to a very busy place in short time. We are in a busy area of Derby, and some eyes are staring at you. Now we're going to go to the shopping area where there are many shops. So let's go and check this place out. So this area is full of eateries after eateries, and some clothing shops. This is busy Britain. Shahenshah barbers, shawarma for you. And this place also has lots of Kurdish. At times they call them Turkish restaurants, but this one is being called Kurdistan restaurant now, which is definitely a change. Then apna kari, apna means like Punjabi. Shabir tandoori, which has been there for a long time. This is the main roundabout of Normanton, but today we are here to check out Royal Bakery. So let's go inside and check it out. Already busy, people sitting here already. Kalejis. We'll try out the food later here. Here I've seen this some special stuff. It's called kemak, and the chef told me that they eat in the breakfast.
Very nice.
Yeah, and yeah, look at this the roti making. The rotis, well, it's not the breads. We call roti, but this is bread. It's what is the bread called?
Plain naan.
Plain. You call naan? No, borek.
No, plain naan.
Plain. This is naan for you. Look at this, yeah, and it's gonna come. And this one is, this bread is
Bread.
just bread, yeah? You Kurdish bread? Samor.
Yes.
And these breads are really nice. I'm gonna try one of them maybe. Yeah, maybe this one. And I like this kaleji. Look at this.
Chicken liver.
Chicken liver, yeah, we call kaleji. So they have served me this kaleji and lamb with some salad, and I'm going to get a bread as well with it. This is the Kurdish bread, I'm going to have it with it. To Normanton, the food was pretty good, different. The bread was really lovely. So this was a little tour of a Kurdish restaurant in Normanton. And if you like this, then I will do more of these videos. But this video was basically to check the quality of this S24 Plus. So do you really need S24 Ultra, or I'm liking this phone quite a lot. So I had Ultra before. I don't want to carry such a big phone now, so I will be sticking to this mid-size phone of top range Samsung phone. And this would be the end from me for this vlog. So see you in the next vlog.